Tonight I filmed a decorating the 2-tier stand with Valentine's Day decorations. This is the only thing that I've done for Valentine's Day. I really simplified it this season and made it just really sweet and pink and full of flowers and romance. If you've seen my old videos, you know that I have done this for fall and I did one for Christmas, and they were a lot more involved, a lot of figurines, a lot more pieces. This time I did mostly flowers, floral stuff. These I got from the Dollar Tree, and you get a pretty good size pick for $1. The wires are pretty thick, so I did have to use a wire cutter in order to get these pieces taken off. But I think in the end it turned out really sweet and really cute. This video is in collaboration with this wonderful, wonderful lady. Her channel is Home with Mrs. Kalunga, and I would love it if you went over there and checked out her channel after you watched this video. She is also doing a decorating for Valentine's Day, and I believe she also has a 2-tier stand that she's going to be putting together for some ideas for you for yours at home. So I would love it if you head over to her channel. She's so sweet. I love her videos. Her family is adorable, and she's just a great person. So head over there after you watch my video and give her a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell her that you went to her channel after watching my video. Let her know that you were sent over there from me. That would be great. And let's get to it. I'll show you what I did.
Not the one that you've been dreaming of, with dirt underneath my fingernails and worn out shoes. I never thought that I would fall for someone like you, an uptown girl without a single care in the whole wide world. But I don't wanna run away from you, 'cause baby I am done hiding my love for you. So please won't you run away with me, 'cause you can't control who you fall for. No. When the world is asleep, then we can meet. A secret life that we share with the stars and the moonlight. And when the morning comes with a brand new day, then we have to pretend we don't know each other. But I don't wanna run away from you, 'cause baby I am done hiding my love for you. So please won't you run away with me, 'cause you can't control who you fall for.
when I need some loving, baby. And I never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along.